Hey there, fellow creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm excited to show you an incredible tutorial on how to do video face swapping, also known as video deepfakes, using a user-friendly program called Swapface. And the best part? It's completely free. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the official Swapface website and download the software onto your computer. Don't worry, it's available for both Windows and Mac. Once installed, open Swapface and let's get started. Now that we have Swapface up and running, let's learn how to use it for face swapping magic. Click on Import Video and select the video you want to perform the face swap on. Make sure to choose a video where both the source face, the one you want to swap, and the target face, the face you want to swap onto, are visible. Awesome. Now we're ready for the next step. Swapface needs to recognize specific facial landmarks to perform accurate face swapping. Click on Detect Face and mark landmarks to identify these points on both faces. Ensure that the facial landmarks are accurately placed for the best results. Now comes the fun part. Adjust the settings to fine-tune the face swap. You can modify the position, scale, and rotation of the swapped face to make it blend seamlessly with the target face. Take your time here, as the success of the face swap largely depends on getting these settings right. Before finalizing, preview the face swap by playing the video. If you're happy with the result, click on Export Video to save your masterpiece. Voila! Your video with the amazing face swap is ready to be shared with the world. And there you have it, a tutorial on how to do video face swapping or video deep fakes for free using Swapface. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use this tool responsibly and ethically, respecting others' privacy and avoiding any misuse. Thanks for joining me in this exciting tutorial. I can't wait to see what creative videos you come up with. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Until next time, happy creating.